Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
A faithful fisherman. Some of the people, when they become poor, quickly lose their hope in God. They are afraid that because of the lack of money, they will not be able to buy food and feed themselves. These types of people forget the kindness of God very soon. It is as if they have overlooked the fact that God, even when they were in the wombs of their mothers, has been careful of their food. They have forgotten that when they came to this world, their mother's milk was ready to feed them. Is it wise that because of a hardship and poverty that lasts for a few days, we should forget the kindness of God and lose hope in Him? A wise man, even in the worst conditions, should be hopeful of God and also actively continue his search for a job. God loves a hopeful human being and helps him in the end. In the old times, there lived a young fisherman who for a long time had been going to the sea and throwing his net, but wasn't able to catch any fish. He used to earn his living by catching fish. Before, when he used to catch fish, he would sell a number of it and would bring some of it home for himself and his wife to eat. However, a few nights had passed that he had come home without any fish. One night the fisherman's wife told him, "If you cannot catch any fish, you will be without money. At that time, how will you earn a living?" Fisherman said, "God is merciful. We shouldn't lose hope in God. Tomorrow I will go to the sea again and cast my net over the sea. If God wishes, He will help me." The next morning the fisherman went to the sea again and threw his net over the sea. Until afternoon he couldn't catch any fish. However, when for the last time he opened his net and threw it over the sea, one fish was caught in the net. Fisherman took that one fish and brought it home. His wife, after seeing one fish, said to him, "After all this work and hardship, now you have brought this single fish." He said, "Again, thank God. I hope that in the next few days we will have more fish." Then he gave the fish to his wife so that she can cook it and prepare dinner. When his wife opened the fish's stomach, she saw a bright pearl in it. With joy, she called her husband and showed him the pearl. The fisherman immediately took the pearl to the market and sold it for a very good price and got a lot of money. After this incident, the wife and the husband understood better that they should never despair of God's mercy.